Welcome friends. In this video we are going to learn spice names. Let's see what are the names and their meanings with pictures. The first one is saffron. Saffron means saffron. Nutmeg. Nutmeg. Jaifal. Pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate seeds. Anar dana. Mango powder, mango fruit powder and mango extract. Amchur. Clove. Clove mean long. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds मेथी दाना या मेथी के बीज. Cinnamon. Cinnamon दालचीनी. Green cardamom. Green cardamom. Sabz ilaichi. Usually we say just cardamom. Next is black cardamom. Black cardamom. Badi ilaichi. Black pepper. Black pepper. Kali mirch. Basil seeds. Basil seeds. Tukham malanga. Turmeric. Turmeric. Haldi. Carom seeds. Carom seeds. Ajwain. Salt and Chinese salt. Chinese salt means China namak ajinomoto. Dry curry leaves. Dry curry leaves. Khushk curry patta. Cumin. Cumin. Sufed zira. Thyme. Thyme. Jangli pudina or thyme. Black cumin, and you can say it Nigella sativa. Kalonji. Coriander seeds. Coriander seeds. Khushk dhania. Star anise. Star anise बादियान. बादियान के फूल. Gooseberry powder. Gooseberry powder. Amla powder. Bay leaf. Bay leaf. They are different from curry leaves. Tezpat, tezpata. Cayenne powder and cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper means lal mirch powder. Oregano powder. Oregano powder. Red chili crushed. Red chili crushed. Lal mirch moti kuti hui. Baking soda. Baking soda. Meetha soda. Baking powder. Baking powder is different from baking soda. Baking powder is usually used in baking. Next is vinegar. Vinegar means sirka. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, share it, like it. Take care and goodbye.